Amy Barkley, and I'm a gallery assistant here at the Hatton Gallery at Colorado State University. I'm earning my graduate degree in arts management and cultural leadership. I work full-time on campus, so finding an internship that worked around my hours was really difficult. So I owe that to Bridget and Michelle, who run the LEAP program. We found Silvia together, and she's been great and really flexible with what I need.
My name is Silvia Minguzzi. I'm the director of the Hatton Gallery in the digital performing space in the Department of Art and Art History. I connected with Amy through Bridget in the LEAP program. I was exactly looking for an intern, someone who could help me since I started this position. So we were able to kind of like sit together, decide the schedule together, and just started the collaboration.
A lot of my duties right now, I'm researching grants for Silvia. I've also been helping with all of the installations. But just understanding how the grant process works is one of the biggest lessons that I've learned. It's complicated, it takes time.
Working directly with curators, prepping all the materials that we have in a gallery, really give the intern the experience to talk and communicate and see how the work is done in a professional world.
Having the ability to come in person and touch things and do things is a really important aspect of any arts organization. It's really hard to do things completely virtually. And I think it's even more stark this year as we're coming back to the in-person feeling, is that people are excited, they want to be here. The campus is beautiful, there's a lot of things to participate in. It's just a really fun place to be.
I think I'm very fortunate of working with Amy. She's very detail-oriented. She comes from a similar background. She worked at the UCA, she studied there. So we talk very similar languages, but she also had an exposure that I wouldn't have otherwise. So the collaboration is working perfectly. And the Department of Art and Art History, like a lot of departments at CSU, they're really trying to push on the collaboration among different kind of units in the same college, between different colleges, because this is where the important conversations happen. So I really think that this is incredibly beneficial for all the parties involved. I know that the department is very supporting and is hoping to get more and more interns working with the department so that they can get exposure but also learn from the interns as well.